Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Damit. Today I am going to explain about how to create a Spring Boot project. Before that, I will explain how to set up environment to create a Spring Boot project. This video is a first video of Spring Boot web series. I will explain Spring Boot 0 to advanced level. As a first, I will explain how to set up environment to create a Spring Boot project. As a first, we need to download and install JDK. You can use this link to download JDK. I will attach this link with my video description. I use JDK 17.0.6 in my local environment. Once you download JDK in here, you have to install. Once you install JDK, you have to set environment variable. You can type edit environment variable in here. Then you can see there is a dialog box look like this. Then you can click on environment variable. Once you click on environment variable, you can set path under system variable section. Under system variable section, you can see there is a variable called path. You can click on path, then you can click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can see there is a dialog box like this. Then you can click new button in here. Once you click on new button, you can see enable to add new path in here. You can get bin path of your JDK. You can go to your C drive, then you can click on program files. Then you can see there is a folder Java. Inside Java folder, you can see JDK 17. Under JDK 17, you can see bin. You can copy this path and you can paste to here. You can click on new. As I explained, you can click on new. Then you can paste bin path in here. I have already added JDK bin path in here. Once you add bin path to here, then you can press on OK. Then after you add path variable related changes in here, you can add new variable to Java home. For that, you can click on new button in here. Once you click on new button, you can see variable name field and variable value field. In here, you can type Java home, Java underscore home. Then you can paste your bin path in here. Then you can remove this bin directory related path. Then you have to direct JDK 17 to this variable value. Then you can press on OK. Once you press on OK, you can see there is a variable called Java home. Java home variable value look like this. Once you set up your Java home variable and path variable, you can check whether installation of JDK is working fine. You can use command prompt to check the result of that. You can use command prompt. You can type Java dash version. Once you enter by typing Java version, then you can see the result of here. If you will be able to see the result look like this, then you have successfully installed JDK. Okay, Once you download and install JDK, you can download Apache Maven using this link. This link I will attach it to my video description. Then you will be able to download Apache Maven. Once you download Apache Maven, downloaded folder will be look like this. Then you can copy this folder. You can copy Apache Maven folder, main folder. Then you can go to C drive. Then you can click on program files. Then you can paste to here. Once you paste Apache Maven folder, inside Apache Maven folder there is a folder called bin. You can copy path of bin. Then you can go to environment variable. Then you can click on environment variables. Then you can see there is a variable under system variable section. You can click on path. Then you can click on edit. Then you can click on new. Then you can paste bin path of Apache Maven. Once you paste bin path of Apache Maven, you can click on OK. Then you can check whether your configuration is successful or not using command prompt. You can go to command prompt. Then you can type mvn-version. If you can see result look like this, you have successfully configured path of Maven. Okay. Once we successfully set up JDK and Maven, we can go to Spin Initializer to create a Spring Boot project. I will attach this link with my video description. Once you go to Spin Initializer, you can see there are some options in here. We can select language as Java, project as Maven. We can select Spring Boot version in here. I selected Spring Boot version as 3.1.5. Then you can see there are some metadata options in here: group, artifact, name, description and package name. I will change artifact as hello world. I have changed artifact as hello world. Then we can add dependency by clicking this button. I will add Spring Web. Then we can select by clicking. Then I have added Spring Web to my dependencies list. Then we can generate. Once you click on generate button, project automatically will be download your folder. We can open this project using Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can download and install Visual Studio Code using this link. I will attach this link also with my video description. Once you download and install Visual Studio Code, we can open our Spring Boot project using Visual Studio Code. Okay. You can click on file. Then you can click on open folder. Then I will open hello world project in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, I have opened my project using Visual Studio Code. Once you open your project, you can see there are some folders and files in here. Inside main folder, you can see there is a folder called src. Inside src, there is a folder called main. Inside main, you can see folder called Java. Inside Java folder, you can see there is a main class. Inside main class, you can see there is a annotation called @Spring Boot application. This annotation mark this application is a Spring Boot application. As well as you can see what are the dependencies which are available in your project using POM.xml file. If you need to add dependencies to here, you can do that. Then you have to reload Maven. Okay, I am going to run my project. You can open new terminal using this menu. You can click on terminal menu, then you can get new terminal. Once you get new terminal, you can write mvn mvn spring boot spring dash boot colon run. You can type mvn space spring dash boot colon run. When you click on enter, project will be run. By default, project will be run at port 8080. I am going to test my project. For that, I will create separate folder. I will right click this one and create a new folder called controller. Then I will add Java class under this controller folder. I will add hello world dot java. Okay, I have added a class under controller folder. Then I will mark this one as REST controller. Okay, inside this class I am going to add method called getName public string getName. Inside getName method I return hello spring boot. Okay, then I will add mapping to this method get mapping, and I will add path to here slash hello. Okay, I will explain this annotation in the next video. For now I just want to test. Okay, I have added path called hello. Then we can save data, then we can rerun the project. Okay, once you run the project, you can go to browser, then you can type localhost 8080 hello, then you can press enter. Then you can see the result of this path hello spring boot. Okay, these are the things which I needed to teach you today. I think you could grasp my explanation. If you have any comments or suggestion, you can put that into the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.